Welcome to the Greater Capital Association of Realtors safety video. Today, we'll be going through common scenarios where you may be putting yourself and your clients at risk. Let's begin. Here's our first scenario. What is wrong with this scenario? If you answered the agent driving clients to the property, you are correct. Don't drive clients to the property showing. Have them meet you at the location. Whether the property has a driveway or a multi-car lot, always park on the street or in a lot where you can't be blocked in so you can quickly escape if need be. If possible, have clients meet you at the office. There, you can have them meet others at your office, grab copies of their driver's license and pre-approval letter. This allows you to have a record of who your clients are. Let's move on to the next scenario. What is wrong with this scenario? Here, we can see the client taking a picture of the lockbox code. Let's see what happens later. One way to prevent this is to arrive early to the appointment and unlock the property before the clients arrive. They also should not have allowed the client to watch them unlock the combination lockbox. Combination lockboxes are easier to break into as well. Protect your sellers by using a super lockbox that interacts with your phone. The super lockbox also keeps record of who enters the property and for how long they were present. Let's look at scenario number 3. What's wrong with this scenario? Here, we can see the clients are behind the realtor. Let's see what happens.
We should go that way.
Absolutely.
As you can see, one of the clients sneaks away and unlocks a window. This is potentially an issue as they could sneak back into the home. Don't allow one client to distract you. Keep all of the clients in front of you. Also, keep all the clients together so you are aware of their actions at all times. If it's an open house, have a helper assist with keeping an eye on the clients. Moving on, what is wrong with this scenario? Don't go into the basement or attic, and never walk in front of your clients. You need to be able to escape in case of an emergency. Being aware of danger helps keep the homeowner's personal belongings safe. Let's head back upstairs and look at the final scenario. What's wrong here? Let's see what happens. Here you can see the realtor getting pushed and locked into a room. Then the other client proceeds to sweep the house for any valuables. To prevent this from happening, always walk behind your clients and have a cell phone handy with an emergency button. Also, inform the sellers to pack up valuable items such as personal documents, bank statements, prescription drugs, and jewelry. Remember, whether you are showing a listing in a populated area, a vacant property, or undeveloped land in a remote area, have a plan. Let people know who you are with and where you are going to be and the time frame you'll be gone. There are many safety apps to purchase or use the safety features built into the Super e-key called Agent Alert or Showing Time Safety Beacon feature. Work with your broker to learn any safety protocols they have in place to keep both you and your clients safe. September is Agent Safety Month, a time to assess your protocols, but safety is a topic for every day of every month. To learn more on this topic, visit nar.realtor/safety and talk to your broker.